Hey Nicholas, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. Here's your custom free video. It's going to be about 5 minutes only. I'm going to be talking about some ways that you can increase your online presence, get more customers per month, and also beat out your online competition. So I like to do these custom videos to separate myself from the other marketers and also show you very catered services for your company specifically. I hope you like what you see. If you do, give me a call. If not, no worries. This video is free for you. Implement these suggestions as you like. Now let me get started. So I did my research for a company a little bit. The first thing before I even start, I'll give you one advice. You see right here, it says not secure when I go on your website. Now that's not a good look for any website. This basically is an SSL encryption. If it's not secure, it's basically not safe for you, your data, and also the people who visit the website. It's going to deter some people. They're not going to want to come out here. Also doesn't look good in the eyes of Google as well. This is usually a free and fast fix. You just got to reach out to whoever made your website and your hosting company and get this fixed out. So this is the SSL encryption. Get that done as well. So secondly, I'll be talking about content. Now, Google loves content. They want to see at least 1,500, 2,000 words on your home page. I went through your website. It's pretty cool looking. You can definitely have a little better formatting. So like different sections, different categories to separate everything out. But you definitely can use a lot more content. Like I said before, 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. Now the side pages are separate. I'm not going to get into those right now. So that content, you want to put your targeted keywords in there inside your content. That's really going to separate you and really start ranking you pretty high up the chain. After that, I want to talk to you about something called citations. Citations is anywhere on the web where you can get your business information, such as your business name, address, and phone number. Now, mostly citations go on directories such as Yelp, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, and etc. The more you put, the better for you. You have more visibility, and you always want to beat out the competition. There's ways to check out how many they have. You just one-up them and do a lot more. I just want to show you this quick Google search. I know you do all types of work. I just put electricians in New York City. Any Google search is ultimately going to look very familiar to this one, similar to this one. First thing people see are these Google guaranteed ads. This is a paid service. Businesses got to get verified through Google, and then they're allowed to pay and be up on that spot. After that, we see these traditional Google ads, which, as you know, are also a paid service. After this one, we move down to this section, which is called the Google My Business or Google Map Pack, as we call it. Over here, Google only shows the top 3 competitors, and you definitely want to be in one of these top 3 spots because these get a lot of clicks, After that, we go down to the organic section. This is the one which legitimizes your authority in this space anywhere you want. Contractor, electrician, plumbing, anything you do, you want to be ranked on the first page organically. So citations and content will definitely help you. And what's going to help you a lot is the third thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid monthly service. It's a really good tool, gives me a lot of valuable information. A backlink is basically any website pointing to you, driving traffic to your website. Now, the more websites you have pointing at your website, is ultimately going to be giving you more traffic, which in the end is going to give you more sales. So right now you got 62 backlinks coming from 2 referring domains. You're hitting 15 keywords, but you're not getting any traffic at all right now. So let me put this into context for you and compare it to one of the other competitors in New York City. These guys right here. As you can see, it's a big difference. They have 381 backlinks coming from 47 referring domains. They're targeting 414 keywords, and they're getting about 600 unique visitors to their website every single month. Now, this is the type of numbers you want to be hitting, and even more than that, because more visitors are going to equal more leads, equaling more traffic. Basically more sales for your company, more money coming in. I want to keep this video right around 5 minutes like I told you, so those are just some of the things I wanted to share with you. I really hope you found this video to be informational and very valuable, because these are very specific things I mentioned. With that, I do hope you give me a call. We can talk, come up with a game plan. If not, use this information. It's yours. I look forward to talking to you. Take care.